Hey, so if you want to create workflows in HubSpot in 2026 to automate tasks and save time, this guide will walk you through the full process step by step in a simple way. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot. Log in using your HubSpot email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, make sure your account has access to workflows, which are available on paid HubSpot plans. From the top menu, click on Automation, then select Workflows. This is the main area where you create and manage all your automations. Now click Create Workflow. HubSpot will ask you to choose a workflow type. Select what fits your goal, such as contact-based, company-based, deal-based, ticket-based, or custom object workflows. Next, set your enrollment triggers. These are the conditions that decide when someone enters the workflow. For example, a contact submits a form, a deal moves to a new stage, or a property value changes. Choose triggers carefully so the right records enter the workflow. After that, start adding actions. You can send automated emails, update properties, assign tasks, rotate leads, add delays, or move deals between stages. Arrange actions in a logical order so everything flows smoothly. Use delays if you want actions to happen after a specific time. And use if-then branches to create different paths based on conditions. This helps personalize automation and avoid one-size-fits-all workflows. Yeah, this part is really powerful. Before turning the workflow on, review everything carefully. Check triggers, actions, and settings to make sure there are no mistakes. Testing is important because workflows run automatically once enabled. When you're ready, turn the workflow on. HubSpot will now enroll records and run actions automatically in the background. You can monitor performance anytime. Open the workflow to see enrollment history, action logs, and errors, and make updates if something isn't working as expected. And that's it. By choosing the right workflow type, setting clear triggers, adding smart actions, and testing before activation, you can create effective workflows in HubSpot. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.